Imagine a new category of aircraft in the future, delivering clean, safe, quiet and affordable airborne transportation for everyone. Welcome to the world of eVTOL. This is the proof of concept for Prosperity 1, a fully electric aircraft, a so-called eVTOL, which stands for Electric Vertical Takeoff and Landing, designed to be a future air taxi for all of us. This will be the final design of Prosperity 1. As with the proof of concept, you can see there are 8 lifting propellers to lift the vehicle and propel it above the critical speed to become airborne using the wings. Once the aircraft is carried by the wings, the lifting propellers are set to lock, so the aircraft conserves energy and flies quietly. To maintain airspeed and wingboard lift, a pusher propeller drives the aircraft forward. The converting between these two elements is a critical flight phase called the transition. The transition between being lifted by vertical propellers and being carried by the wings of an aircraft. This requires complex aerodynamics to be taken into account. When designed and engineered correctly, the maneuver will be smooth and safe. If not designed or performed properly, the procedure will be bumpy and unstable, and the aircraft may lose altitude during transition. Let's see how this works in real life. Time for the final preparations before takeoff.
Ground temperature 10 degrees, wind 270 at 5. All team check.
Powertrain.
Check.
Navigation system.
Check.
Flight control system.
Check.
Propellers clear. Take off. Altitude 10 meters. One 30, 150,
Heading for 270.
Start forward transition.
6 knots on 150 meters. 39 knots. 77 knots. 97 knots.
Transition complete. Propeller locked. Fixed wing mode activated.
Everything is normal. 103 knots on 150 meters. 101 knots.
Approaching Navy Point 3.
101 knots. Enter the serpent route. 105 knots. 107 knots. Enter the landing route. 101 knots on 100 meters.
Prepare for back transition. Start back transition. Back transition complete. Vertical mode activated.
Autonomous landing.
Landing safely. Congratulations, team.
This is our first unmanned transition flight, a big milestone for AutoFlight. We are developing and testing Prosperity 1, our air taxi, to start certification with EASA later this year. Our ambitious goal is to start and begin with safe passenger transportation already in the year 2025. We shall invite you later this year for public demonstration flights. Please follow us. We are doing this for you. AutoFlight, safe and safer.